Hello, good day. This is Mr. Tambari Akpo, the mentor and the publisher. You're welcome.
Good day, friends and hearers. You're welcome once more to this session. My name is Mr. Tambari, a publisher and a mentor. Today, we're going to look at the summary of this Google Playbooks Publishing A to Z course. All that you need to know before you start. I'll try to summarize it here. First and foremost, we are talking about published ebooks globally and earned from 190 countries of the world. And this is how it looks like. It teaches you how to publish once and earn from 190 countries globally. Stop guessing. Stop watching free videos. Start publishing like a pro. There is nothing of value that is actually free. Online publishing is a skill. I teach it. Publishing online is not luck. It is a skill. How I publish once with Google and earn for life is what this video here is all about. In the description of this video, you can also watch this video. Now, writers write why publishers get paid, because it is until you publish your books to the scene of readers that they begin to buy them. I'm an Indian publisher with multiple books live and selling on Google Play and Amazon worldwide. I don't sell motivation. I teach the system that works from publishing to pricing to selling globally. If you want to learn this skill and build long-term digital income, most people want to earn in dollars online, but they are stuck watching endless YouTube videos, publishing books that never get approved, uploading content that never sells, or quitting because Google Playbooks feels too complicated to them. But when you have someone holding you by the hand, it becomes very easy. This ebook with video guide removes every confusion. Google Playbooks Multimedia Publishing Course by Mr. Tambari Akpo, my humble self, is a step-by-step beginner-friendly blueprint that shows you exactly how to publish once and earn from 190 countries plus worldwide, even if you have never written or published a book before. Let us look at it from this angle. This is how it looks like. This is how the multimedia course looks like. When you gain access to it, this is the beginning part of it. It comes with sections, introduction and then sections. It has about 3-4 sessions. And in each of the sessions, it handles what is important for you to start as a beginner. And each session comes with videos, not just one, not two. Those videos are to show you what to do and what not to do. So you follow the videos to create your own account and then do the writing as it is given in the video. There are technicalities there that are just very simple to apply. Now the course comes with video links, just as you can see here too. This is how it looks like. While you're in the course, you see video links, ensure to watch them because it will show you exactly what to do and how to do them. Now, what you learn inside this multimedia course, first and foremost, how Google Playbooks really works, not theory, no flop, with videos. Most time people just jump on some publishing platforms and start uploading books, and so they while away their time and waste every resources they have invested in that platform, and then and get back nothing because they fail to follow systems that work. And that's what this course will do for you. What types of books sell consistently on platform with video guide, the types of book that you can sell consistently on this platform, how to format, price and upload your ebook the right way with videos. There is also a video guide there. How to avoid rejections, account suspension, and rookie mistakes. How to earn globally without ads. You are not running any ad. You don't need influencers or a large audience on Google Play with videos. What you need is to follow the blueprint I have printed in the video course. How to build a long-term digital asset that pays you repeatedly. Secrets in publishing globally and earning in foreign currencies on Google Playbooks. The system that works in online publishing without guesswork. How to use one-shot to get 2 to 3 best in ebook publishing. Pricing techniques on Google Play. 2 and 3 book TM on Gplay, etc. That is Google Play. Ebook title research with videos and idea to cash hack. Ebook ranking on Google Playbooks and visibility approach with videos. Strategic marketing on Google Playbooks is free with videos. Audiobook creation on Google Play books with videos. So you also taught how to create audio. And one of the good opportunities we all have that you have today is that Google has just launched this audiobook creation. So as early birds in this venture, as you're coming in, you'll be able to make use of these tools free. And this course will also show you how to do so. Now we go to some feedback from some buyers of this course. Peradventure, you will say that when you pay, it will not be delivered, just like some persons out there might want to say. So view the chat screenshot below. These are just few persons who ordered for this course and it was delivered to them, and they are also happy. And some of them that are gone ahead creating the books and ebooks and accounts, they have also started uploading. This is what they have to say. You can see them yourself. These are their chat with me. Some of them choose to share what they are doing. Some are also secretive because some persons don't like to go to social. Then one of my ebook titles, live on Google Play, you can see it here. My name is circled there with some ratings, 4.5 stars and 60 something reviews. Okay, if you can see 60 something, 66 reviews. So if I'm not offering value to even my global readers, I cannot get some of these 4.5 stars. I can also get reviews. Let's see some reviews they gave to. As you can see, so this shows that I'm actually doing what I'm offering to the public. I'm not saying what I'm not doing. Okay, now how ebooks look like on Google Play dashboard. This is how you see ebook like on the dashboard. Okay, you see when you publish it when it was last updated, the ebook, the format, whether audiobook, you also see it on the format, then list price, the price you're selling it, and if Google has approved these books and have gone live, anyone can buy it from any part of the world. You see it under status. So that is how it appears. Then demanded units of ebooks in 30 days. When I was starting, these are some of the things. Statistics do not lie. As you can see, key statistic within 30 days. This is units of book that were demanded, whereas we're having just 17 live titles on Google, as you can also see it here. So let's move on. How my starting year earnings look like in a month. So when I was starting as a last year, this is small can. This is what you can also expect and do your mathematics if you have just few titles. By this time it was just 1 to 3 titles I had, and I was just like trying to implement what was taught to me. I have not gotten it very well then, so you can see the earnings within this month. So I can promise you that now that the long work has been shortened for you, you can hit $100 your first withdrawal if you implement what is in this course, because you can see that this is very possible. Look at it yourself. Thank you for seeing this. Now some Google payments notification in my email inbox is here too. This was when Google sent me payment and it was withdrawn. Just check the dates. Maybe I'll have to show you a live one on my email so that you see that it's from there. I screenshotted. This was 2026. This first one was 2025, okay, 30th. And this other one was 2026 February. So let me check if I can see one here. This is my email. So you can still see Google payments. The same thing. This was where I put it from because they actually sent this to me in my email. Then let's go back to where we were. Why this ebook is worth 30,000 naira for now. Later it's going to move to 50,000 naira. Actually, this ebook has been sold 100,000 naira. That will fail me to bring out the chart. That's done when that was done. But after now, if you still wait, you will see that this course will be sold at 50,000 naira. This is not just an ebook like others on the internet today. It is value. Great minds know that value is not gained, rather it is invested in. So do not compare this course with others, because this is hard currency we're talking about. Beside, it is a multimedia course. It takes you through step-by-step stage using the video guide so that you can implement it. In fact, all those who have bought this course, none of them have ever come back to complain, because following what is there, they get what it was said. Now it is experience, clarity, and shortcuts for you. Why this ebook is worth 30,000 naira and not 50,000 naira? This is not just an ebook like others on the internet today. It is value. Great minds know that value is not bargained, rather it is invested in. It is experience, clarity, and shortcuts you will otherwise learn through costly mistakes, months of trial and error, paid consultations, and failed attempts. One approved selling ebook can recover this price many times over. Now, who is this for? You, as a beginner with zero publishing experience, can utilize this course. As a writer, blogger, or content creator, this course is for you. Digital entrepreneurs tired of unstable income, this course is also for you. Anyone who wants global reach with minimal overhead, even though you are not taking. It's also for you. Now the final truth. You either keep thinking about publishing or you learn this system once and earn globally. You can buy now and publish once, then earn from 190 countries as I do. The price now is 30,000 only. Your global publishing journey starts today and now. You have a yummy offer now that lasts for just few hours. Google Playbooks Multimedia Course goes for 20,000 only for just few number of persons. Once the number is complete, this offer closes. Get a course plus a bonus 10,000 Naira AI ebook free. 30 minutes live workshop with me, Mr. Tambari Akpo. This is only for fast fingers. 10,000 Naira discount coupon code is here, Tambari_G Playbooks 02. Input this coupon code and you get the offer at the end. This offer ends so soon, like I said, so you can buy it and purchase it or access it on Seller. So you can access this course now on Seller. You're welcome.